Hey, today I was troubleshooting some bad connections and found out that this is the product here that I'm having an issue with. It's a BNC adapter to terminal, and this is what they look like. Screw terminal going into a BNC, and one of them works and the other one does not. And I can tell you right now, the good one is the darker shade of green. And you can also see there's a difference in the molding. The good one has an equal sign between the plus and the minus. The bad one has nothing. And so the bad one has this lighter shade of green. But I think the main problem with the bad one versus the good one has to do with the shell here. It's got serrations that allow it to make connection with the mating shell. This one's got marks where the serration should be. But I can show you, I've got a test set up here where I'm just checking the continuity, and I've already narrowed it down to the negative, the shell. So I'm just checking continuity of the shell here. You can see it's saying half an ohm, but if I wiggle it around, you can see it'll go open. And it just kind of depends on how the cable's laying as to whether or not it's going to work. You may not even realize that there's an issue, but when you go moving things around, it will go bad. But if I put in the good one, you can also tell it feels a little snugger. I'll put in the good one here, add my connection there. See, I got under an ohm, and it does fluctuate a little. I think it's mostly when I'm moving this terminal, but it's very solid, a lot more than this one, which goes open. And so they both have the same part number. It came from the same vendor. So be careful if you're having issues with your system. The darker green is the good one. The lighter green, no good.